LinkedIn recently announced and introduced their creator mode. So in creator mode on LinkedIn, you get access to features like LinkedIn Live and LinkedIn Newsletter. To turn this mode on, I'm going to walk you through the steps to do so as I just turned mine on. If you click on over to your profile, you'll be able to scroll down and see the resources section here. Once you see this mode, mine says on, yours should say off. This, at the moment of recording this video, is open to a limited number of users, so hopefully they open it up to more in the future. So if you see this option here, you have the ability to turn this on. So if you click on this option, you'll be able to toggle on creator mode, and you'll be able to add in some topics. Now, for these topics, they are hashtags. So when I first tried to do this, I added a space between social and media, and I got an error message. So just note that these are hashtags, all one word. And then when you click done, you should be able to see your creator mode. Hey, before you go, if you're looking for more social media support, I've got to share our free course, which really is designed to help online business owners reduce that overwhelming feeling and actually create a social media strategy that works for you and your business. And yes, it is all free. You can find it at onlineandrea.com/free, and it walks you through building out a social media strategy that will help move your business forward. Plus, we have some super sweet goodies in there, like done for you posts, templates, and more. So check it out at onlineandrea.com/free. I'll see you there.